Proposed phenomena have been noted by visitors and researchers over the years. In particular, the acoustic qualities of the design of the upper chambers of the Great Pyramid have been referenced and confirmed by numerous visitors since the time of Napoleon, whose men disagreed their pistols and the top of the Grand Gallery and noted that the explosion reverberated into the distance like rolling thunder. Strike the coffer inside the king's chamber, and you will hear a creep deep bell like sound of incredible and rare beauty. It has been a practice over the years for the Arab guidance of demonstrate this resonating sound to the tourist. They guide throughout the Great Pyramid. This sound was even included on Paul Hor's album Inside the Great Pyramid after being advised of the significant pitch pursued by striking the coffer and the chamber. Respect of this speech Horn took along a device that would allow him to replicate the ext pitch and frequency. Horn struck the coffer and turned